Hello everyone. Today we'll see how we can send a common letter to n number of customers or recipients. And this is what is known as mail merge in MS Word. So here we will be sending a common letter or a same letter to many customers or many recipients. Here we will try to send a letter to many customers who are going to buy computers from us. So here I have a mailing letter with me, that is a quotation over here. So what I will do is I will convert this letter or a document into a letter first. So I click on mailing, and then start mail merge and click on letters. So this document is now converted into letter. Next, I will click on select recipient. In that, I will first click type naming list. Now you can customize the fields. So if I have a list of field over here, so if I want to change the name or rename it, I can select it. The zip code is not required over here. So what I can write it as pin code. So I can rename the field and click on OK. Now, if I want to change, remove any field, I can select this and click delete. Suppose if I want to make it as work phone, instead of that, I want to make it a lone phone. So I can remove it. I can make it phone, rename it and click on OK. So say this is how we can customize the columns. And now I start typing over here. To move from one column to another, I press the tab key. So keep on pressing the tab key to enter all the details in all columns. Once the first column is over or completed, it will automatically move to the second column. So it has come to the next row, or we call it as the record. Now here also we can continue to type. So you can enter any number of address over here. Keep on pressing the tab key so that the record, we can input the information into the record. Now we need to save the file. So any folder we can select where we need to save the file and give the name to the file and click on save. So I have saved the address in the address book. Now to merge the address book with the letter that I have written, I click on merge fields. Now here we have all the column names that has been mentioned. So you can click on each of these column names and select it as we want it. So as and when we click on it, you can see the record is displayed over here. And this is the first record that is being typed. Now, after doing this, we can click on the previews. So this is how it will appear, the column names with the brackets over there. Now, if I want to see the field name, I can click on preview result. So it will display the record that has been stored over there in the address book. Now, similarly, here we can personalize the letter by giving the name. Now, I want to go to the second record. I click on the bar. So it will take me to the second record. So I can take individual printout of this letter, or if I want, I can search it and find out. Otherwise, if I want whole of the address book to be printed, I can tell all the documents to be, all the address to be printed, or I can select from which record I want it to be merged with the letter. And click on OK. You will find this is the first record, this is the second, third record. So this is how we can merge the address with the letter that I have stored it. So we need not individually type each and every address. If we have the address stored in our record, we can merge it with the letter whenever we want it. Hope you have understood how we can do the mail merge. In the next video, we will see how we can do some modification in the mail merge, how we can enter the additional records. Thank you.